Hello, in this video I will show you how you can fix contacts not showing on POCO F7. So first of all, open the contacts, and now I have some contacts over here, but this is not all of my contacts. So if you want to enable all contacts list, you have to click here, and now switch to all contacts. And now, as you can see, I have all of my contacts over here. And also make sure that in this icon, this is the filter, make sure that you have no enabled any of these filters, because like take email contacts for example, and now even if I have all contacts over here, I have no results because I have a filter for the email contacts enabled here. So make sure that you have no filters enabled and all contacts here. Basically, that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.